Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your X app. So all you have to do is to just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you here in this list, and all you have to do now, so just go down here and you click here on apps. So and it's going to take you here to apps list, and you just go down here to looking for X app. So just keep going down here to find your X app here. So then when you found it, you just click here on X app. Then it's going to take you to next step here, and you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. So and you go down here, you click here on storage and you come to storage list here. Then you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do is to just go to your Play Store, you click here on your Play Store. So then you search for X app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, so just click on it, then it's going to fix with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.